Hello guys and girls, boom, welcome back. Here we go then. This is the last 5 bags, but saying that it might not be the last part because they might be out of sync. So here we go. Righty-ho. Come on. Nothing there. I was saying in the other part about the bagging up, and it's getting closer. Yeah. I do my own bagging up. That's tidy. Come on. Yeah. There we are. I've been enjoying doing this 10p bite-sized videos. It's been interesting to see, read about your choices. And, all these comments, they're really great because they help me to get to know you, because you obviously see me, but I don't get to see you or hear you. So yeah, it's a bit of fun. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. I'm just going to stack these up at the back now. So this is the last 5 bags. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Under that one. Alrighty. Come on, we want to do a giveaway. Yeah. Oh, an escapee. Put these together. No finds in this part yet. No. Come on. Got that. Beasted 10p. No. Yeah. Oh, tip them all out. That's a disaster waiting to happen, look. Rightio. See if we can get this in shot. Anything different? I can't see anything. Okay, here we go. Before they go all over the floor. 2021. I know it looked a bit shiny, didn't it? Nice sheen to it. But we've got a 2021 in the date run. There we go. Penultimate bag. edge roll. Put those over. 10. Yep, we've got something here. We have indeed. We have got an American quarter, and it's from Massachusetts. Yeah, Massachusetts. When the lights... Yeah, I won't sing, okay. And this is where 508 Magnets operates from. Yeah, that's a Philadelphia mint mark. Yeah, not the best of conditions, but lovely find. Very nice too. Thank you very much. Yay. There we go. Yeah, hi to Josh and all at 508 Magnets. Yeah, Josh and family. I need to pop over and see you. I haven't watched for a while. Humble apologies, Josh. Oh, I know. I keep getting so behind. But I hope you're all well and enjoying your, what have we got here? Is it a 10 pence? Could be 5. Not sure. Yeah, it's 10. I can just about see it in amongst the crud. Yeah. Yeah, Josh and family go out magnet fishing, and they go out with the metal detector, and Josh also does coins as well. Yeah. Cool. Oh, look at that. Yuck. Oy, 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 oy. Last bag, guys and girls. Last bag of this 100. Now we'll do a roundup at the end, and we can see exactly what we've got. Nope. On top of that. Could be a 10p, could be something else, but no, I didn't mean this sort of 10p, I meant an old one. Yeah, there it is, worn one, look. Yeah. Oh. There we are. Yep. Going to be the last handful coming up now, and then we've reached the end of the whole £100. I'll do a roundup at the end so you can see what we found, and give you a little bit of information on what we found, maybe, if we can remember it. If not, we'll look some up. What's that? Another dirty 10p. There we are. There we are, guys and girls. So this bag, or this part, is our only find on this part was Massachusetts, but that's not bad. That is a USA quarter, and it's a Philadelphia mint mark. Tidy. There we are, guys and girls. I'll see you in the roundabout. I'll see you at the roundup. Stick around. Bye bye. Well then, guys and girls, thanks very much for sticking around for the roundup. Hopefully you'll see a little bit of information coming along the bottom regarding these coins, because I shall film and then look up and give you some more information. I think this is a Scottish 1 shilling, because it's the Lion Rampant, and it's from 1955. There we are. Okay, and that is the size of the 10p. Yes, it was designed that way. They changed the design, but I don't think they changed the size of the tooling or whatever it is they use to moulds or whatever. And then we have the Bailiwick of Jersey 10 pence, 1992. Tidy condition. Still got good definition on that coin. And this one, which is an unusual one to find, I think it's a partridge by the look of the feathers, but if I'm wrong, you'll see it's coming along the bottom. And it's a 10 pence, and it's from Gibraltar from 2015. Nice find. And then we have a Massachusetts or a USA quarter from Massachusetts, and this is from 2000, and it is a Philadelphia or P mint mark. There we are. Not in the best condition, but a nice find all the same, and an American state quarter. Lovely. Well, thanks very much for joining me in this £100 coin hunt and taking part in the giveaway. It's all a bit of fun, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.